Hey guys, Pat here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Had a special request for me to make, I guess it's a tamper for a Vitamix blender. So she sent this to me here, and so I can take the dimensions off of it and duplicate this and make it into a wood piece. I have a piece of mountain ash from our tree we took out in the front yard years ago. Our kids used to play in this tree. Took this tree and a couple more trees out in the front yard and planted some fruit trees. So I'll go ahead and get this board cut to length here. I cut this from a slab here off on the bandsaw. What I'd like to do is make this part a little bit thicker and make the handle a little bit longer so it's a little easier to hold on to. Give it a little bit of shape in here so it's a little more ergonomically pleasing. I believe this will work the same way, but it'll be a little more robust than this model here. The handle will be a little bit easier to grab a hold of, and this will have a little bit more strength to it, wood versus plastic. If I made this width in wood, it might not, obviously won't be as durable as this thicker piece, this wider piece here. This part here goes inside the blender and inside the tool. And so this is all duplicated the same, and so anything from here up can change, you know. So I think this will be more comfortable to hold on to and just offer a little bit more support right here. after we hear back from the lady, we'll get the ends taken care of, get those cut off and smoothed out, and send it off to her. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, and God bless.